Okay, I will start department wise now. Okay, now we'll start from spinning examples. In spinning mill, okay, the spinning process, the preparatory process starts with the mixing. Mixing is the first stage. Mixing, blow, carding, drawing, combing, ring frame, winding. Next, I will come. Next, if you go for drawing. So even though if the atmosphere, the humidity is controlled in the carding machine, if we come to the drawing machine, drawing where equal number of carding cans are taken and condensed and passed through the drafting system. In drafting, what will happen? The fibers are drafted. The fibers are drafted and making straights, and again there also web is coming out. Even though 4 plus 4, 6 plus 6 or 2 plus 2, whatever that way auto rollers, that way ordinary drawing machines or automated drawing machines, whatever is there. I'm not talking about the brand. Whatever the ordinary drawing machines or automated drawing machines, finally all equal number of slivers are drafted, and there also web is coming out. That the single web is coming out if the humidity is not controlled. The drafting zone, the humidity is directly affecting on the drafting zone of the drawing machines. Okay, humidity is directly affecting the drafting zone of the drafting machines. The uniformity, weight per unit length, the uniformity in drawing of the fibers, stretching of the drawing of the fibers, or straightening of the fibers, or even web formation, that is affected by the humidity. And humidity is not controlled. Humidity is failure in the control of the humidity makes the web instead of the web is coming out condensed. What will happen? The fibers are sticking to the drafting rollers. The fibers are sticking to the drafting rollers if moist is uncontrolled, varied. Even if it is hot, it is affecting drafting rollers. If it is very cold, it is affecting drafting rollers. The disturbance will happen. Totally it is affecting drafting zones. Not only in drawing, in combing, in simplex, in ring frame. Wherever is there, this all department, drawing, combing, simplex, that is drawing frame and ring frame, all drafting zones are affected by directly influenced by the humidity. Okay, if the sticking of the rollers, the gumming of it forms a gumming of the rollers. You know, ammonite rollers, drafting zones sometimes made, but when I was working, okay, it is affecting, and whatever it is condensed, then it is going to the combing. Combing is the most what is called very sensitive part of the hosier yarns. Combing, all drawing cans are put back of the combing, and again it is why it is combing process, because whatever the short fibers are there, to remove the short fibers for hosiery, to produce hosiery fabrics, hosiery yarns, finer and long length fiber, long staple length fibers are required, and unwanted small fibers are removed, and still the fibers are stretched and straightened and condensed. Okay, in all the drafting, how many drafting zone heads are there in the combing? Usually 6 or 8, whatever is there. 2 times it is drafted. All rollers are there. If it is heavy, if it is humidity is warm, then heat will generate in the drafting zone. If it is very cold, the rollers are sticked. The fibers web is not formed. If warm is there, heavy warm is there, the web will spoil. If heavy cold is there, the web will roll down the rollers. Okay, these are things are there. Disturbance will be there. So it is directly affecting the coefficient of C percentage of the yarn, or weight per unit length of the yarn, or twist factors, or whatever is there. And also more than that, breakages per hour, breakages of the per hour of the drawing frame, breakage per hour of the drawing frame, or carding machine, or breakage in the combing, or breakage in simplex, breakage in the ring frame will affect directly the production loss. Per 8-hour shift, how much efficiency is required? Efficiency of the carding machine, efficiency of the drawing machine, efficiency of the lower, efficiency of the combing, efficiency of the ring frame, efficiency of the winding. It is directly influenced by the humidifications of the industries. If the number of breakages are more because of the humidity, then automatically machine break down. For each and every break of the sliver, for each and every break of the rowing, for each and every break of the yarn in the ring frame, each and every break of the yarn in the winding frame, that will machine break down. Machine will stop. If machine stop, if again the labor has to attend, it will take time. In 8-hour shift, how many times the machine is stopping because of the breakages? Because of the breakages. Even though the quality control person is taking snap study, usually it is happening snap study per hour. Every hour the snap study is taken, will come to know, the person will come to know how many times the breakage, machine breakdown, machine breakage will take. I am not talking about the maintenance. Because of the machinery problem also machines are stopping. I am not talking about the maintenance. Because of the machine problem, because of the machine problem, machines also stopping, efficiency will go down, other things. I am talking about the spinning mill efficiency, department wise efficiency will reduce because of the breakages. That breakage is influenced because of the humidifications. Okay, like that. Okay, now hope you have understood on humidification. For better knowledge, for more information, please refer textile books. Okay, many other sources are there. Okay, you can search. Okay, we'll come to know the more on humidifications. Okay, hope you understood. Okay, I'm closing this topic. Please subscribe to my channel Guru Veera Tutorials, especially exclusively for textile technology and fashion technology. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share to your friends, those who are interested in this line, textile and fashion line, and like it. Okay, and click the icon button in the mobile below this video, so that all my videos, whenever I am releasing the video weekly, that will come into your inbox, so that you will aware that Guru Veera Textile has released new videos. Okay, thank you very much.